Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to merge more Word files into one file. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I have more Word files over here. So this is report 1, report 2, report 3 will be there. So I have lot of Word files there. So I just want to merge into single file. What I have to do here? So without any other online method, only using your Word itself you can merge. So you can copy and paste, just click and add that. Within a second I'll tell you the easiest model. So just open the Word and you will find a lot of option on the top menu bar. Just go to insert. Once you click insert option, there will be a object will be there in the insert in your right hand side corner. So in the object there will be a small arrow will be available. Just hit the arrow, so automatically it will ask you for the object and text from file will be there. So just click the text from file. So from the file the text will be copy and paste over here. So just choose the files and reports, whatever reports you want. For example, I just want the first page should be in a report 1 and report 3 will be the second page and report 2 will be the third page. So I just make a different types of images, which is I selected first and second and third. The file name will be report 2 and report 1 and report 3 will be there. So similarly I have selected over here. So if you want to choose the range, you can choose the range according to your need. If you have a bookmarks, means you can add according to your need. So if you have a tools, you can map the network here. So insert as a link or insert the file. So I just want to insert the entire file over here. So I just click here for insert. Automatically my entire reports will be added into the Word file. As you see here, though adding the first page and first report and the third report, after that second report, it will be in a sequence will become over here. So just wait for the second. So within a minute, using your Word itself you can add. So this is the last page, which is the last report which is added over here. Just scroll up. This totally around 481 pages is there. So within a second I have merged everything together into the single page, single Word format. So this is a beautiful option. Use this option, you can create a different types of Word into single Word in your workspace or in your college or in your school. If you want to merge entire things and you want to send me the report, you can do this and make your work easiest. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.